Do you want to build a strong and powerful network of like-minded professionals like you? Wait, I am going to tell you the way you will do it that is going to boost your career. Let's face it, the amount of quality people that you know in your field and outside of your field makes a very huge difference. I hope you get to watch this video to the end because there's so much you would learn from this video. Try not to skip. Make sure you watch it through because every minute is packed with so much information. So in this modern time and age, it's not just enough to be in a community or circle of professionals. It is being in the right circle and professionals that are supportive, that share your values, that also refer you or recommend you when there is a job opening or where there's an event where they know you connect to even hire people in your field. I know what you're going to ask me next. Where am I going to find these quality, supportive communities or people? So how to find communities or groups of supportive friends or professionals? The first thing is shared values. You know your values, you know the things that you cannot do and the things that you would love to do. Look for these professionals in your field that are way up there, that share the same values like you do, and try to make a connection. So if you are going after these high professionals in your field, you are reaching out to them that share the same values like you and that inspire you, but they are not connecting back with you because they are way up there. Do not worry. What you should do next is join professional gatherings. Go for webinars, go for seminars, go for visual, coffee chats. Always be available for these kind of gatherings that involve quality professionals that you admire and share values like they do. Make sure you show up for these events regularly. And then when you start to join the circle, please do this one thing. Make sure you don't go in there and the first thing you are doing is asking people to help you. No, 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 don't do that. Once you get into a good supportive community, make sure that the first thing you do after connecting with people is to find out what value can you add to that community or to a set of people in that community. What can you give? What can you bring to the circle? What value can you also add? If you are not being valued, like if you do not add value, people would not want to connect with you. This is a very bitter truth that a lot of people do not want to hear. So if you start making these connections and you're in a good, high-class, supportive community, make sure you add value. No matter what field you are in society, please make networking a habit. Try to reach out to the new network of friends you've made from your field and people you like that add value. Then also try to share resources. Don't be gatekeeping. If you want a supportive community, you have to be supportive. Okay, you might be in a community of friends where somebody is a VA, someone is a CEO, somebody is into fabric, someone is into real estate. If you come across anything that's going to add value to the person in the VA community or the person in the real estate, share it with them. Oh, there's a seminar coming up about, VAs in the Canada or in the US that are having this, seminars, and oh, please do well to attend, blah, blah. Oh, I found something about this fashion show that's coming up in Lagos or that's coming up in Dubai. Share resources. That is the only way they know that you are somebody who adds value and they will reciprocate adding value to you as well. Please, and learn how to celebrate the wins of people. When somebody gets a new job, a new wonderful remote job that pays well, celebrate with them. When somebody sells a piece of land in the real estate, celebrate with them. When somebody closes a deal, celebrate with them. When a CEO strikes this new contract that hits millions, learn how to celebrate honestly, genuinely, and energetically with your community and network people because they're going to support you when you need them to. Networking is something that you should learn and keep doing. Make it a habit. It's not something you do one time. Or maybe you are trying to get this contract, you now make friends with a certain circle of people, and after you get the contract, you're off. No, make it a habit because the more you connect with people and they start to trust you due to your actions, regular actions, these trusts will build genuine relationships over time. I tell you, these may not be people you've known for 20, 30 years, no, but because of your regular actions that are trusted, genuine relationships will be built. And practice how you should be happy for people in your circle. Even not in your circle, your family members, your friends. Whenever there's a good news about a win, be happy for people and be happy with people. This is also a way to gain good relationships. And by the time you build this genuine relationship, when you need collaboration, like you are in level 2, and you need to collaborate with somebody who is way higher than you, they effortlessly support you and collaborate with you. When you need support, when you need referrals, when you need recommendations, these quality friends you've made over time will always be there to support you, as long as you are supportive as well. I hope you are ready to start building that strong network of friends. Start connecting today. Save this video so you can come back later and watch it again and write down every single tip that I mentioned here. If this video was very helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share to people that you know we need this to elevate their career and get a very strong network. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.